Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, on web there are thousands of courses available related to programming, data science, DevOps, design. Okay, but finding the best free quality course is challenge as a learner, as a student. So in today's video we are going to explore the solution for this problem. And friends, the solution is hackers.io website. This website will help you to find the best programming courses as well as quality tutorials. Friends, this website aggregates the courses from many providers to make it easy to find the best course. There is no matter about where the course is available on web. Friends, you can be sure about the getting only high quality courses and tutorials on this website. This website consists free courses as well as paid courses. So as per your comfort and choice, you can select the high quality free or paid courses. So first of all, I will try to show you how you can find out the high quality courses using hacker.io website. So I will start my Chrome browser and here I will search So friends, this is the website which we need to visit for finding best programming courses and tutorials. Friends, this is the interface of hacker.io website. You can see right now it is showing the all courses related to programming. So here at top near to the icon you can change the category. Which courses you want to learn, which courses you want to find. So you can see programming courses are there, data science related courses, DevOps related courses, design related courses. Whichever category you want to learn, you simply choose the category and it will show you the list of available high quality courses and tutorials. So right now we will choose programming. So you can see near about all top programming languages you can see here. Okay, whichever language you want to learn, simply choose that language and it will show you the list of available free high quality courses. Okay, so this list consists free as well as paid courses. Now how to choose free courses? So here you can see the filters option, tab on it. Now here you can select the type of course. So if I select free course, so you can see now these are all free courses for learning Python. Friends, as well you can apply filters related to medium like video or book, levels like beginner, advanced, then version of particular language. So if I choose beginner and if I choose Python 3, so tab on submit. Now you can see these are the free available courses for learning Python 3. Okay, like this you can explore different languages. Friends, you can follow this page to get the notification regarding tutorials, blog post and more on Python. Simply tab on this follow. So it will ask you to sign in, and once you sign in with your Google account, it will help you to get the notification. Okay, in the same way friends, you can also explore other categories on this website like data science. So in data science you will find tutorials and courses regarding machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, deep learning, TensorFlow framework from Google, R language, Hadoop framework, Apache Spark. Okay, so you can explore any category in which you will be interested. In the same way, okay, suppose I will choose machine learning. So in machine learning now it will show me list of courses. So I will filter these courses. I will choose the free courses and beginner level. So just submit. It will bring you all the free courses for beginner level. Okay, here you can see the votes for particular courses. So I will recommend you whichever course you will find with higher number of votes, that course you should select. So the best source you can see here, developers.google.com. So majority of free courses with high quality content you will find from this source, developers.google.com. Okay, so you can go through all different categories like this, and as well as there is design category. So in design you will find the courses for Photoshop, Illustrator, Blender, After Effect, Lightroom. Okay, so all softwares related to design, and the courses and tutorials related to that you will find in this category. So friends, this platform aggregates all high quality courses at one place, and they made searching high quality courses easy. Okay, so as per your preferences you can search different courses. Okay, now one more thing they have provided on this website, and that is roadmap. So friends, at the bottom of this website you will find the link for roadmaps. So if you open this link, friends, this hacker.io roadmaps page consists the community recommended learning paths that will help you to master your favorite domain. So if you are planning to become a developer or designer but you don't know where to start, then this page will help you. This page will guide you what necessary skills you want to learn for particular domain. Okay, so you can see here the roadmap for backend developer, the roadmap for Android developer. Likewise, they have provided different roadmaps. So you can choose a particular roadmap, like I will choose this front-end developer. So here it will show you what necessary skills you need to learn in order to become a front-end developer. So you can see they have list out all the related courses which you will need to learn to become a front-end developer. Like this you can find out the different skills required for particular domain, and you can prepare yourself. Okay, so friends, this is how this hacker.io website will help you to find out best and free resources, courses and tutorials across the web in various categories like programming, DevOps, data science, design, etc. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.